AI dispatch and predictive maintenance pilots are failing across the industry. This rarely happens because the software is flawed. It happens because fleets judge long-term tools on short-term scoreboards. Consider a fleet owner running 28 trucks. Operations are stable, loads are covered, and payroll is on time. Yet he cancels an AI dispatch pilot in its second month. His rationale is simple. The technology hadn't paid for itself within a 30-day window. This isn't a lack of discipline. It's the result of using a one-month revenue statement to measure a tool designed to compound over a year. Before a logistics company can successfully adopt new technology, leadership must shift their entire evaluation process. Trucking rewards reactive thinking. Weekly spot rate swings and daily fuel price shifts force owners to focus entirely on the immediate horizon. This creates a finite game with fixed rules and fixed endings, where the goal is to hit this month's number and reset. But AI routing and predictive maintenance are infinite game bets. They require systemic compounding to provide value. This chart tracks AI integration ROI. The trend line is flat for the first 60 days, while the system learns data patterns. Real gains appear after month 2, but fleets rarely reach them. They fall into the 30-day trap, misinterpreting the initial flat line as failure. This 30-day pressure also silences the team. When staff know a pilot will be killed the moment a number dips, they hide early friction instead of solving it. You cannot reach the compounding phase if your team is too afraid of the scoreboard to tell you the truth. When a fleet uses a finite scoreboard to judge an infinite tool, the scoreboard will always win, and the technology will always fail. Solving this requires moving beyond vague long-term thinking and implementing a concrete evaluation standard. Start by selecting one specific metric that reflects long-term health, like your cost per mile trend, driver retention, or safety incidents per million miles. Before spending $1 on software, establish a brutally honest baseline for that metric. You need to know exactly where your fleet stands today. Finally, leadership must commit, in writing, to a 12-month evaluation window. This protects the project from being derailed by a single bad quarter. Logistics ROI belongs to the operators who stop chasing monthly targets. By committing to a 12-month horizon, you build a system that ensures you are still strong enough to keep playing the game next year.